welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing on a box that is actually on time. We're talking about the FabFitFun fall box, and I put on my most vampy lip color for the occasion. I love fall. I'm so excited. Let me give you guys the deets about it before we jump on into it. So the FabFitFun box is $49.99 a quarter. So this one ships out 4 times a year. Every season they have one. Now I myself have personally upgraded to what is called their select membership or their annual membership. That is why I'm receiving my box ahead of a lot of people. That's one of the perks you get when you pay for the full year in advance. It gives you a little bit of money off on each box. I think it works out to be like $44.89 or something like that per the box. So you save a couple bucks off of each box, and you get the huge added bonus of getting your box a lot earlier than others. With that out the way, let's go ahead and dive into this FabFitFun fall box. Got my baby scissors, and let's slice that little tape. It looks like they have switched the material of the FabFitFun box. I actually think I read about that they were switching to more eco-friendly packaging, and I believe it was supposed to be all recycled as well, which I definitely love that they are making that switch. Okay, so as per usual, right up top we got the FabFitFun magazine. This one is gonna have some content in it. It's gonna have all the items inside of here, all the selections that could have been inside the box. So definitely a good little tool to have. And yeah, let's just go ahead and dive on into it. You guys know the way that I like to do these unboxings. I like to list all of the options that were available, and then I'll tell you guys which ones I picked. So that is how we're gonna be doing it for this video. And I'm gonna get started with the all member choices. So let's start off with the first one. First item up was the New York Bond tote, $128. Second was the New York Trigger backpack, $100. Third was the Foxy Bay 25mm black curling wand with rose gold colored barrel, $99. Fourth, the Stila Stay All Day waterproof liquid liner and huge extreme lash mascara. I like that, huge extreme, $45. And there was actually a lot of options here. So the fifth option, Uncommon James set of 2 copper canisters, $49. Running out of finger space here. The sixth item, styling cream and finish cream, $65. And lastly, the seventh option for this category was the Mia foldable cotton basket for $60. So a lot of options for that first category. And the item that I chose was the Foxy Bay curler. I couldn't resist this. I had to get my hands on this. Here is what it looks like, and it's actually got a really nice sleek matte handle here. Ooh, I do like also that this one has a 360 cord, so it just swivels around as you're going with it, which is really nice so you don't get all tangled up. I mean, we all know that can happen with those just regular corded ones. That's a nice little detail. The only thing I'm seeing here is that it doesn't have a heat adjustment. It says on here it's just supposed to heat up to the perfect temperature for healthy hairstyling. I don't exactly know what that means. I kind of like to set my own temperature just because my hair is bleached. It is kind of thin, so I like to keep it on the lower ends on the temperature. I might need to look into to see what degree this one is set at, just so I kind of know. But yeah, this was a super exciting option. I knew I wanted it. But now let's move on to our second category, and again, we got a lot of options here. So first up, we have the Beyond Yoga Hidden Pocket Infinity Scarf, $59. Second, the Glossmetics Hair Removal Device, $59.99. Third, the Dr. Dennis Gross Skincare Alpha Beta Pore Perfecting and Refining Serum, $65. The Soya and Kayo Woven Scarfigan, Scarfigan, I like that, with fringe, $85. The fifth item was the Beauty Celery Green Cream, $55. And lastly, the sixth one was the Erno Laszlo Pore Cleansing Clay Mask, $48. And of those options, I went with this one, the Glossmetics Hair Removal Device. Pulling it out here. Oh, it's battery operated. Pop it in. And then here's a bit of a closer look at how the hair removal device looks like. And I ended up choosing this one because I was already looking into getting one kind of like this. Just something to kind of have on hand for little unwanted hairs here and there that maybe you forgot while you were shaving in the shower. And you don't want to, you know, pull out the razor and the shaving cream. You just got a little hair here and there or something to top off. I'm going like the beard. but maybe you missed like a spot and you just want to go like boop boop, try to get it. I was even thinking like, would this be good for like the peach fuzz area instead of using the razors, maybe using this instead? I don't know, I'm gonna try it. I was looking into one to try out anyway, so I was like, you know what, put that in my box. And then we have one more item for all members to choose from. And this has 5 options. So option number 1 was the Jenny Bird Austin Cuff. $135. Oh my God, expensive. Second was again another Jenny Bird product. This was the Liana Pendant, $115. Third was the Vitamask Multivitamin Mask Set, $40. Fourth, the Nectar Sunglasses Blue Light Blocking Glasses in brown tortoise, $45. And lastly, the Beauty Bakery Proof is in the Puddin' palette, $38. And I chose my Beauty Bakery. I've been wanting to try out this palette. I think it's been an option before, or it's been in some other subscription box. I didn't happen to get it, and I wanted to try it. Oh, look at how cute that is. They have such a cute baking theme. I love it. But here's what the palette looks like. It's definitely an everyday wearable kind of palette. Nothing too wild with it. And there are 9 shades in there. Whoa, I almost went. There are 9 shades inside this palette. 5 are matte, and it looks like 4 are shimmery metallics. So let's do some swatches. And here we go, the full Beauty Bakery palette swatched out. I just jumped at the opportunity to be able to try out the Beauty Bakery eyeshadow formula. It is one that I haven't been able to test out yet, so I figured it was time to try it. So I'll need to be playing with this in the next couple days and create some fun wearable looks. But those were the 3 items everybody gets to choose from. The next 2 are gonna be the ones that only select members are able to choose from. So those are the annual members. If you are not an annual member, FabFitFun does pick this for you. So I did get to choose between these. So let's go through these. First option is the Mason Tops glass water bottle with neoprene in turquoise, $35. Second, the ABH Clear Brow Gel for $22. Third, the Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Whipped Cleansing Cream, $28. Fourth, the Feel Beauty Renewed Pumpkin Walnut Facial Cleanser, $28. Fifth, the Frank Body Original Coffee Scrub, $16.95. And I went with the Mason Tops glass water bottle. Let's pull this one out and take a look at it. And then pulling this out, oh, it's actually like a mason jar glass bottle. So you got the measurements on the side here. Oh, that is smart. This would actually help you keep track of exactly how much water you're drinking per day. Oh, it would also be really good to kind of measure out different drinks as well, like maybe ingredients, how much you're pouring in. I think this glass jar is gonna get a lot of use by me. Then the second for the select members to choose from, and the last one. The first one was the Hip Cutlery Set, $14.99. Second, the NCLA So Rich Cuticle Oil in Horchata. Oh, I didn't know it was horchata. $18. Third, the Liquid RX Stress Reliever 100% Natural Hair Oil, $75. Fourth, the 8 Other Reasons Why Runway Clip Trio, $32. And fifth, the Harper and Ari Exfoliating Sugar Cubes in Juice Cleanse, $16. The one I chose, the Liquidix RX Stress Reliever, it just sounded really interesting to me, like I wanted to give it a shot. It's a natural hair oil, and you're supposed to use with your fingers to apply into the scalp and the hair, massage lightly, then shampoo and rinse 1 hour later. So it's like a 1 hour treatment. I just want to give it a bit of a sniff. I'm not going to use it yet. I don't know how oily it's going to make my hair, so I don't want to put it in yet. It smells interesting. What is that? Jasmine, that's what it is. I had to look on the back here. It sounded like a good treatment, and I am all for all the hair treatments that come inside of boxes. I'm just like, give them to me. Let me try them all. I am on board. We are rounding up to the end here, so we just have 3 more categories, and these last 3 were FabFitFun picks. So they were curated by FabFitFun for you. So, the first one had 3 different options. The first one is the Voish New York Pedicure in a Box Duo Pumpkin Spice. Fall theme, $20. The second was the Laundress New York Crease Release, $16. Third was the Spongeli Boxed Flower in Sweet Cedar Wood, $16. And let's see, what did they send me? The crease release. Well, 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 okay. This is gonna be fun to try. So this is supposed to be a quick wrinkle spray. For when ironing isn't an option, you spray some of this on and it's supposed to help with wrinkles? Yeah, removes moderate wrinkles. Okay, so not like deep set wrinkles from clothing and fabrics. I wonder if this works. Do I have something wrinkly? I'll be right back. Okay, I have the perfect wrinkly top here. This one is pretty wrinkly, honestly. I mean, it said moderate wrinkles. We'll see. All right, about 6 inches. Was that everything? Was that all I do? This area is starting to look a little less wrinkly. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's getting less wrinkly here. Whoa, okay. I thought it was gonna be a gimmick, but it seems like it actually works. I mean, this shirt is super duper wrinkly, so it was the perfect test subject, and I can see that some of the lighter wrinkles are definitely going away. That's pretty cool. Totally thought that was gonna be a gimmick and not work, but that actually ended up working. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna be having so much fun now. Second option for FabFitFun picks. First up was the Nature Lab Tokyo Perfect Repair Treatment Mask, 16 bucks. Second was the Stone Candles Room Spray in Pumpkin Spice. Ooh, seeing that pumpkin spice come through again, 36 bucks. Third, again, another Stone Candles Room Spray in Santal Noir, 36 bucks again. And fourth was the Hythe Tranquility Sleep Mist, $22. Let's see, what did they send me here? Oh, they gave me the Hythe Tranquility Sleep Mist. You see, it's formulated with witch hazel, lavender oil, rice water, and it's supposed to create a very tranquil sleep environment. Let's give it a spritz. I think I'll spray it on the box. Something about lavender, it's just so calming, it's so soothing. I can see why they always use it in a sleep mist. I've actually gotten one before, I'm pretty sure it was FabFitFun as well that sent out a sleep mist. At least I think it was FabFitFun. With the one I used previously, I mean, I don't know if it necessarily helped me fall asleep faster, but it did make the environment feel a little bit more calm, I guess you could say. All right, but then we are on the last one, and this one has only 3 options. The first one is the Beauty Paper Golden Superfood Shower Gel, $30. Second, the Ziggy and Marius Pouch with Stripe. Look like a sunglass case to me. 30 bucks. And third, the Beauty Crop Glow Milk in Blind Date, $19.50. And they sent me the Beauty Crop. It is a highlighter that is enriched with coconut. Ah, here's a closer look at the packaging. Looked like it's just gonna be a dropper. So we'll squeeze a bit on our hand so that way we can see it. You know what? I mean, I got the exposed shoulders, the décolleté area. Why not put a little highlight there? Let's make it a moment, shall we? This may not be the best brush for the job, but it is the only clean one. So I'm just gonna take the dropper here. Squeeze a little bit on the shoulders. Tap, 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 tap. Ooh, that was a lot on this side. Definitely gotta make sure I rub it out because that rose gold definitely stands out quite a bit on me. Can you see the glow? Can you see it? Can you see it? Not gonna lie, I thought a liquid highlighter was kind of an interesting option for a fall box. I mean, I think personally fall, like sweaters, wrapped up. I don't think I'm gonna be showing exposed shoulders the whole time and just glowing. But I mean, we all have different climates. Who knows, maybe some are. All right, but that was in fact the last item for this box, so let's do a quick recap here. We ended up getting 8 items, and let me add up the value here for all the items. So let's do that super fast. Woo! Now that is a value there. So $364.49 is the value of my box. That is amazing compared to what we pay, which if you are a box-to-box member, I forget what that's called, you're just paying $49.99. And if you are a select member, you're paying about 44 bucks. So the value, wow, always there with FabFitFun, that's for sure. And I have to say, for this fall box, I was really happy with it, honestly. I mean, they had some really good options this time around. So for me, this fall box is for sure a win in my book. I think they had some really great options, and hopefully I was able to show you guys all the options so that way you guys could make your own selection if you haven't already done so. Definitely let me know if you guys are getting the FabFitFun fall box and you are excited about it. Let me know down below in the comment section, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little bell button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!